Okay guys, so we're going to try one more example, and you should try this one on your own first. Pause the video and then see how you did. Okay, so we have multiple factors of 8x squared. You've got 8x times x and 4x times 2x. You have multiple factors of 20. 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. So again, just stay organized. I'm going to try 4x and 2x first. And I'll try, so I'm going to work with 4x and 2x first, and I'm going to go through starting with 4 and 5 and working my way up. So I know that 4 can't go here because of the reason of that GCF that we talked about. So I know that possibility is out. I would have a GCF of 4 in there. So I'm going to go on to the next possibility. I'm going to switch those. And you could see, like, you know, once you do this a couple times, you don't even have to switch them, because once I put the 5 here and the 4 here, now I have a GCF here of 2. So 4 and 5 are out with the 4x and 2x. So I'm going to go to staying with 4x and 2x. I'm going to go to 2 and 10 now. So same thing's going to happen here, guys. You can see you have, if you put a 2 and a 10, you're going to have GCF within the first set and the second set. And if you switch them, I'm just going to do it right here, I would have GCF again. So 2 and 10 are out with the 4x and the 2x. So that didn't work, that didn't work. Going to 1 and 20, you could see the same thing's going to happen. You're going to have a GCF of between the 20 and the 4 and between the 20 and the 2. So it's not going to be 4x and 2x with any of these. So they're out. I'm going to go to 8x and x. So I'm going to erase these. Okay, so I'll just rewrite them. 2 and 10 and 4 and 5. All right, so now we're going to try 8x and x. I'll do those in red. So we have 8x and x, and I'm going to try 4 and 5. I know the 4 can't go here because I would have a GCF, right? So between the 4 and the 8. So I'm going to try switching them, 4 and 5 like this. Outsides, 4 times 8x is 32x, 5 times x is 5x. I'm looking to get 27x, and 32 minus 5 is 27. So there you go. So now I look at the signs. I need a positive. So the first thing I do is I say I need a positive 27x, and then I work my way back to the two products. That would mean that the bigger of the two numbers is positive. So I need a positive on the 32 and a negative on the 5. So I'm going to go back, working my way back. 8x is positive times, it would have to be positive 4 to get a positive 32x. And then for the 5x to be negative, it would have to be x times negative 5. And so there's my answer, 8x minus 5 times x plus 4. Done. Okay. And I think this is the last one. You guys can try this one on your own and pause the video if you need. Okay, pause it. And I'll go over it right now. So we have, again, multiple factors of 6x. So we have 6x times x, or 2x times 3x. And 18 could be 1 times 18, 2 times 9, or 3 times 6. We're just doing guess and check. I'm going to start with 2x and 3x. And I'm going to go through starting with 3 and 6. 3 here and 6 here can't work because I would have a GCF. Out. 2x and 3x. If I switch them, I'm going to have the same thing happen. This is a 3. I would have a GCF here and a GCF here. So 3 and 6 are out with the 2 and the 3. I'm going to go on to trying 2x and 3x with 2 and 9. I know the 2 can't go here because I would have a GCF. So I'm going to switch them. Again, you don't have to write them all out, right? I'm doing it for the purpose of showing you. If I put the 2 and the 9 in those positions, I don't have any GCFs. Let me check. Outsides give me 4x. Insides give me 27x. I'm looking for 31x, which does work. 27 plus 4 is 31x. I need a negative 31x. So that means this sum has to be negative. These both have to be negative, which makes sense because remember yesterday we talked about this tells me the signs are the same. So these are both going to be negative. And so there is your answer, 2x minus 9 times 3x minus 2. I have given you a lot of space on your homework in order for you to have space to try all of the possibilities and stay organized and be able to see. Don't erase what you already tried, so that way you could be able to see what what attempts you've made. All right, and you have, I think, 5 of these for homework tonight. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye.